Microcontrol, the safe rephrase. When linguistic pressure is high, invite clarity without exposure. If you prefer, say it first in the phrasing that feels most natural. We'll shape the English together afterwards. This immediately reduces linguistic performance anxiety, restores thinking capacity, separates cognition from translation. Unpacking is not translation. It is cognitive liberation. Case snapshot: thinking in one language, speaking in another. A Polish operations lead processed ideas internally in Polish but expressed them in English. In fast-paced meetings, the gap between thought and expression widened. Key context disappeared under pressure. A consultant offered a simple invitation: give me the version that feels natural first, we'll shape the English together afterwards. The effect was immediate. Freed from speed and performance, she articulated the real insight. Meaning stabilized. The team received clarity that had previously been lost in translation. Why this is an advanced control? This control is not required in every conversation. It is used when speed itself begins to undermine meaning, particularly in multilingual, emotionally charged, or high-stakes environments. It restores clarity by restoring time, quietly, deliberately, and without confrontation.